Hi, and welcome back to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Doona. It is so fantastic. It goes from a car seat to a stroller all in one motion, so it's really amazing for parents on the go. So one of the best features about the Doona, besides obviously the ability to go from car seat to stroller, is that the handlebar is movable, so you can use it in many different positions to fit any need that you might have. So you can push it in stroller mode, you can pull it along as well. The Doona is made of really high-end materials that make it really soft, really easy to spot clean, and really comfy for your baby. The Doona is also really amazing for parents who travel often. It is aircraft approved, so you can take it when you travel and either install it in that seat or just use it as a stroller along the way. This car seat stroller combo is going to take you up to about a year, or when your infant would outgrow a regular car seat. It'll go from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches. This is the Doona in the infant car seat position. You can see that the wheels have been tucked up in the back of the seat. This handlebar is in a locked position right here that you can use to grab and go. If you're getting out of the car, if you're just doing a quick run and you don't want to go into stroller mode, you can carry it that way. The handlebar also lowers down to this level, which you would use when the car seat is installed in the car. This would act as an anti-rebound bar against the seat, so if you're in a crash, it's going to stop some of that force motion, just making it a little bit safer for your baby. Once you have the car seat out of your house or out of your car and you're ready to go into stroller mode, all you're going to do is find this little button on the back, push and pull on the lever to bring the car seat up so it is ready to be pushed. So you can keep the handlebar in this lock position to pull along. It's also really useful if you're going up a flight of stairs or going over something that is a little bit too rocky for a stroller, that you can still pick and carry it. Because it's an infant car seat and a stroller all in one, it's gonna be really light and really easy to transport around if needs be. Once you're done with your little walk, your activity, your grocery run, all you're gonna do is press and pull on that same lever. It helps to kind of sweep the wheels under with your feet, and then you are ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you like the Doona or any of the other products you see in our videos, go ahead and shop them at babycubby.com. Orders over $25 ship free. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and we'll see you next time.